Most AI influencer accounts fail at the script level, not the production level. The video looks fine, the voice is decent, but the words don't make anyone stop scrolling. This lesson is the script formula that fixes that. The hook, problem solution, CTA formula. Every short-form video should hit 4 beats in 30 to 60 seconds. Hook, 0 to 3 seconds. Stops the scroll. Problem, 3 to 10 seconds. Names the pain or curiosity gap. Solution, 10 to 45 seconds. Delivers the value, CTA, 45 to 60 seconds. Tells them what to do next. Hooks that stop the scroll. The hook is the only part of the script that matters if it fails, because nobody hears the rest. 5 hook patterns that consistently work. 1. The contrarian statement. Stop drinking water with your meals. Here's why. Your savings account is making you poorer. Yes, really. 2. The curiosity gap. There's one thing wealthy people do every Sunday that broke people don't. This is the only fitness rule that actually matters after 40. 3. The direct promise. In 30 seconds, I'll show you how to write better Google ads than 90% of agencies. 3 things to remove from your kitchen tonight. 4. The pattern interrupt. Wait, don't post that yet. If you're using ChatGPT this way, stop. 5. The question hook. Why does your TikTok account stop growing at 1,000 followers? What if I told you most retirement advice is wrong? Key point. Test 3 different hooks for the same script. Post all 3 as separate videos. The one that performs best becomes your template. Keep using that pattern for the next 10 videos before testing a new one. The 30-second script template example. Hook, 0 threes. Most fitness apps are wasting your time. Problem, 3 tens. They track calories, steps, and macros, but ignore the one variable that determines whether you actually lose fat. Solution, 10 to 45s. It's protein per pound of body weight. If you're hitting 0.8 grams per pound, your body has the materials it needs to build muscle while you cut. Below that, and most apps don't even tell you this, your body burns muscle instead of fat. So instead of obsessing over calorie targets, just track this one number. CTA, 45/60s. If this helped, follow Avatar Name for more no-fluff fitness science, link in bio for the free protein calculator. Storytelling formulas. For longer videos, 60 to 180 seconds, use one of these narrative frames. Before, after, bridge where they are now, where they could be, the bridge that gets them there. Problem / agitate. Solve. Name the problem, make it feel worse. Reveal the solution. Story, lesson, apply. A short personal anecdote, the avatar's experience. The lesson learned, how the viewer applies it. Educational versus product recommendation scripts. Educational scripts teach something useful in 30 seconds. They build authority and grow followers. 80% of your content should be educational. Product recommendation scripts drive affiliate clicks or sales. They should make up 20% of your content, and they only convert because the educational content built trust first. Warning: if you reverse the ratio, promote products in 80% of videos, your account will plateau or get punished by the algorithm. The platforms favor accounts that retain viewers, and pure promotion drains retention fast. Curiosity-based scripting. The strongest hook style for AI influencers is curiosity, because it works without claiming personal experience. Compare. I tried 14 budgeting apps last month. Sounds fake from an AI persona. There are 14 budgeting apps with hidden problems most people miss. Sounds authoritative and works fine. Our AI traffic tool includes an amazing script writing feature.